Assalamu alaikum. In this video, Photoshop around corner of selection for two way. Step 1. Create a new layer. Okay, then right click on your mouse, click rounded rectangle. I use 50% px. You can change anytime for this radius corner. Then click and drag it. Step 1. Click the image, drag and up it. Right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. And step 2, for round corner of selections, select the shape positions, then hold Ctrl, click the shape, then hide this, click this image, then layer mask, clipping mask. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.